India's leading institute for medical engineering and foundation preparation is now in Vasco, Ponda and Mapsa. Fulfill your dreams of becoming a doctor or engineer with Akash Byju's. Enroll for instant admission cum scholarship test. Admissions open.
Here it is written, what are the troubles I have undergone in my life? How my Guru entered into my life? What are the siddhis my Guru has? How my Guru has made miracles in the life of so many people? How Anjaneya Swami came into my life? What are the miracles Anjaneya Swami? It is not a spirit. It is not an energy. It is a living God. Anjaneya Swami entered into my life. What are the miracles Anjaneya Swami shown? That is all written in the book.
That concept, Egam Satupra Dharma Sarva Dharma Samabhava, all are reflected in meditation and yoga and other things. Its true spirit may be inculcated among the new generation, and Swamiji's effort, of course, is a landmark achievement as far as Goa is concerned. And Goa, our Kishorji, or Madam depicted as Devabhumi.
അതേപോലെ തന്നെ എല്ലാവിധ ആഞ്ജനേയന്റെ അനുഗ്രഹം ഉണ്ടാകട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ആഞ്ജനേയ നാമത്തിൽ ഞാൻ നന്ദി പറയുന്നു.